Hey guys, it's Bella. I've got a flip through for you today of this cute little recipe book. It's a mini book. I purchased the pattern from an Etsy shop called Mini Books Are Me. So if you would like a copy of this pattern, please visit the link below and check out what other mini books you're able to make with their patterns. So as you can see, it's a cookbook and I've inked all around of the pages, added these cute little chipboards. It's from the Bon Appetite collection in Kaisercraft, so all of the papers used throughout is from the same collection. You can pretty much use the template and create whatever mini book you would like, whatever themed mini book you'd like. So I've just got some recipe cards in the front. They've all got the same backing with different little cute cooking sayings on them. And they're from the Kaisercraft collection, as along with everything else. I'll actually be gifting this little mini book to my sister-in-law for her birthday that's coming up. So she's a really keen baker and cooker, so hopefully she really does enjoy this and will get a lot of use out of it. So all of the pages have the same format, just different patterns and colours and die cuts on each page. This particular recipe book, it does take up a lot of materials to make. In total, I used over 30 cardstock pages, so 20 just alone, just for the foundation of the book, and then over 10 12 by 12 cardstock pages for the inside mats. And that's not including the 6 by 6 paper pad collection from Kaisercraft. All of these folders that you can see on the right hand side are magnetized, so that just helps the pages to stay closed so everything doesn't just flop around, and so it stays together nice and flat. There's also enough space in these pages to add your own recipe cards to, or even handwritten recipes. The papers go together so well because it is from the same paper pad. And I'm actually really looking forward to making another one of these, but not necessarily recipe themed, something else with a 6.5 inch paper pad, and doing up my own little theme. So there is just so much writing space. You don't even really have to use it as a recipe book. You can also use it just as a notebook. I know it has got recipe cards in it, but you can always alter those and cover over them and make it a food themed journal, something like that. The pockets are really deep, so there's enough space to add your own recipes or recipe clippings from magazines, anything like that. So you can really fill up this journal as much as you like, this recipe book. It was really fun to make. It took me 2 full days. It also takes up a lot of materials. So as I said, it's about over 30 pieces of cardstock that you need to make this. It also requires a lot of glue, a lot of tape. I used up almost 2 full rolls of the Scotch double-sided tape and also my art glitter glue. I also purchased 1000 GSM cardboard for the cover and spine. The pattern does say to use chipboard, but that wasn't easily accessible for me, so the cardboard had to do, and it's still really good for a cover. It's still very thick, so I just used what I was able to get. I had pretty much all of the other materials needed except for the magnets, so I had to buy magnets as well. But I already had this Kaisercraft collection because I did plan on doing a recipe journal, and then I found this particular pattern and I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, it's so nice, I have to buy it. So yeah, that's why I wanted to use up my papers for this particular pattern. And this is what I've got left over from the collection that I used. So I used all of the recipe cards. I only used some of the wood chips, so I've got a lot left over of those. Out of the full 6.5 inch paper pad, this is all I have left over. So I have a few of the cutter parts there. Only one of the border cutter parts left. And these are the pages I've got left. So like 4 to 5 6.5 inch pages left. That is fantastic use of the whole pad. I'm so happy not much goes to waste. And of the collectibles, I've still got a fair few collectibles left. So there's more than enough to do another recipe book if I like. And I think I am going to be doing another recipe book, but with the 12 by 12 papers and just cut them to size rather than the 6.5. So that will be another little challenge for me. Anyway guys, I really hope you've liked this flip through. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. And yeah, as I said, check out that Etsy shop if you would like to create something like this too. Thank you guys. Bye.